So welcome to our Silent Unity prayer service for July 2025. I invite you to take a few moments to get settled and comfortable just where you are, closing your eyes if it's comfortable to do so, or gently dropping your gaze. We take a few moments to relax into this sacred time of prayer and reflection. For in this sacred moment, we align our hearts and minds with divine truth. As we breathe deeply, we center ourselves in the peace of God, allowing stillness to fill us. We affirm that our thoughts, words, and actions are in harmony with the divine will. Every heartbeat resonates with unity. Every thought reflects divine love and wisdom. And so together let us affirm, I am calm, steady, and filled with peace. With each breath, I journey deeper into the core of my being, resting in the quiet presence of God, my source. Peace gently washes over me, calming my mind and body. In the stillness, I connect with divine peace and wisdom. I am centered, and in this silence, I find true serenity. Together, let us affirm, divine wisdom illuminates my path. The light of divine wisdom shines within me, guiding my every step with clarity. I trust that the way forward is revealed in each moment as I follow this inner light. Wisdom flows naturally as God's power illuminates my thoughts. In this prayerful stillness, I turn within and find the perfect direction. Together we affirm, I embody strength and resilience in every moment. I am unwavering in the face of challenges, for God is my source of strength. No matter the winds of change, I stand firm, grounded in divine power. Aligned with spiritual strength, I persist with courage and resilience. In this moment of prayer, I affirm my stability, courage, and unshakable faith. As we continue, we affirm, rooted in spirit, my thoughts and dreams come alive. I align with the flow of divine wisdom and abundance. With open eyes and a grateful heart, I see the good all around me. Empowered by infinite possibility, I move forward with peace, purpose, and passion. And let us know together, we live in the flow of divine love. In every season, joyful or challenging, we trust the love within to lead the way. This love is not separate from us. It is who we are, our true nature, our sacred essence. With every thought, word, and action, we align with this love to extend compassion, kindness, and harmony into the world. As we continue to live in agreement with divine love, we become a living expression of peace, strength, abundance, and joy. Together we move as one, unified in spirit, grounded in truth, empowered by love. Let us go forward, claiming the good that is already ours and becoming the blessing this world is waiting for. And now, in the spirit of sacred connection, let us close in reciting the prayer for protection together. The light of God surrounds us. The love of God enfolds us. The power of God protects us. The presence of God watches over us. Wherever we are, God is. And so it is. Amen. So bless you and thank you for being present today.